Sending a large amount of rewards to recipients should be easy, and uploading contact information into Giftbit makes that so. To get started, we need a CSV, TSV, or Excel file with 3 columns: email, first name, and last name. Email is the only one that is needed, but having first name can add a nice personal touch when sending rewards. When ready, load up the file and match the columns to the drop-down menus. Now, you could click upload to add the context to the system, but it is a good idea to add a custom tag to your upload list. By default, the upload will use today's date as the tag, but if they're part of a specific campaign, you can change this for easier searching in the future. Tags can be used during the order process to find those contacts easily. When ready, click upload and give the system a few moments to complete the upload. Once complete, your contacts will be added and ready to be sent to. Any duplicate contacts will have their information updated with the new tag, and this does not affect any previous tags they have. With contacts uploaded, finding the right recipients during an order is made easy by searching for their email, name, or tag to make sure that your rewards are ready to be sent. Giftbit, making rewards simple and remarkable.